the only 4 exercises you need to relieve neuropathy in feet and legs. Stay until the very end, because I'll share a quick daily routine tip that ties these 4 exercises together for even better results in your feet and legs. The first exercise is seated marching. Sit tall in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Lift one knee toward your chest as high as is comfortable, then lower it and switch to the other leg in a gentle marching motion. Aim for 10 to 15 marches per leg, or about 1 minute total. This movement pumps blood through your legs and feet, helping deliver fresh oxygen to the nerves while gently activating hip and thigh muscles that often weaken with neuropathy. Many people notice warmer feet and less heaviness after a few sessions. Do it while watching television so it becomes an easy daily habit. Next is ankle circles. You can do this seated or even lying down if needed. Extend one leg slightly forward, keep your knee relaxed, and slowly draw big circles with your foot and ankle, first in one direction for 10 circles, then the opposite way. Switch legs and repeat. Ankle circles improve flexibility and circulation right down to the toes, which is vital because tight ankles can limit blood flow and make neuropathy sensations feel stronger. This move also helps maintain range of motion so walking feels smoother. Seniors often report reduced stiffness in the mornings after adding this one. The third exercise is toe taps and scrunches. Sit with feet flat. First, lift just your toes while keeping heels on the floor. Tap them lightly 10 to 15 times. Then place a small towel under your foot and use your toes to scrunch it toward you, working the muscles in the bottom of your foot. Do 8 to 12 scrunches per foot. These actions directly target the small muscles and nerves in your feet that get underused with neuropathy. Activating them improves sensory feedback and helps prevent muscle wasting. Better foot strength supports your arches and reduces the feeling of instability when standing. It's a low-effort way to wake up those nerves without putting weight on sensitive feet. The fourth exercise is supported calf raises combined with balance work. Stand behind a chair and hold the back lightly for safety. Slowly rise up onto your toes, lifting your heels, then lower back down with control. Start with 8 to 10 repetitions. Once comfortable, progress to holding the top position for a few seconds or briefly lifting one foot for a single leg balance moment, always with support. Calf raises build strength in the lower legs that stabilizes your ankles and improves push-off when walking. The balance element retrains proprioception, or your body's sense of position, which neuropathy often dulls. Many seniors find this reduces shuffling steps and fear of falling, leading to more independent movement around the house. These 4 exercises work together beautifully. Seated marching gets circulation going, ankle circles keep joints mobile, toe work strengthens the foundation, and calf raises with balance tie it all into functional stability. Together, they address the main challenges of neuropathy: poor blood flow, weak muscles, stiff ankles, and unsteady sensation. Do them daily, perhaps twice a day for 10 to 15 minutes total. Begin with the seated versions if standing feels challenging. Consistency matters more than intensity. Over time, you may notice less tingling, warmer feet, stronger legs, and steadier walking. Many people also sleep better because reduced discomfort allows deeper rest. Pair these moves with other supportive habits. Wear well-fitted shoes with good cushioning for daily activities. Check your feet regularly for any skin changes since sensation can be reduced. Stay hydrated and include nutrient-rich foods that support nerve health, like colorful vegetables, nuts, and lean proteins, as part of your normal meals. Gentle walking on flat surfaces is a wonderful addition once these exercises build your base. Start with short distances indoors if outdoors feels uncertain. Swimming or water walking offers excellent low-impact options because the buoyancy reduces pressure on your feet while moving all the muscles. Pay attention to posture during the day. Sitting or standing tall helps nerves function without extra compression. If you use a cane or walker, these exercises can help you rely on them less over months of practice. Progress at your own pace. Some weeks you might add a few more repetitions. Others you might keep it lighter. The goal is steady improvement in how your feet and legs feel and function in real life, like getting up from a chair easier or walking to the mailbox with confidence. Family members or caregivers can join in too. Doing these together makes it more enjoyable and turns them into a positive daily ritual. Track small wins, such as noticing you can stand longer without holding on or that the tingling eases after the routine. You've reached the end, so here's the simple daily routine tip I promised. Right after breakfast or before dinner, spend just 10 minutes on these 4 exercises in order. Set a gentle reminder on your phone